Hello friends, welcome to my channel Analog Digital Academy, and today I am going to tell you the selection of resistance from DGKey site. How to purchase or how to select the resistance online from the DGKey site. So DGKey site is very famous, is very popular online component purchasing site. So mostly component is purchased from this site. So today I will tell you how to select the resistance parameters. Yeah, what type of resistance you want to use in your application. So how you will select the resistance on DGKey. So before this video, I have made the video on crystal oscillator selection and simple diode selection from the DGKey. You can watch this video in my playlist. So today I will take a resistance and I will tell you how to select the parameter of that resistance for general use, not any special purpose use. There is a various type of application where the value, the parameters of the components vary according to their application, like automotive use, car and some car, motorbike, या हवाई जहाज या rail. Sometimes of this type application special type of resistance is used, and this is also depend on environment for which type of for which location you want to use your product. So according to the application, according to the location, according to the temperature, according to military application या RF application या high voltage high current sense application, the component is selected. So today I will talk about the general use. General use means commercial use, like you use the mobile, laptop, machine, washing machine, yeah, any other electronic equipment, fridge, something like this. So for this fridge, fridge something come in the automotive because there is a temperature generation in the fridge. So general use application. So I will tell you how to select the component and what type of features we need to select. So here I put the 100K resistance. So I click here. So it reaches here. So here is the chip resistors surface mount SMD, and how much having 43. It having 4328 items. So I click on this. I need of this chip resistance and ceramic, and these show its resistance. I selected 100 kilo 100K, so it's showing here 100K, and it is showing the manufacturer this, and it is showing the price this, and it is showing different type of manufacturer. You can see here Susumu and Panasonic Electronics and Yageo manufacturers, and these are the, you can see here, these are the DGKey part number. This is the image of the component. You can see like this in the big form, and this is the data sheet of the component, and this is manufacturer part number. There is a two part number, one is manufacturer, one is DGKey part number. DGKey give its own part number to the every component, and this is the manufacturer, and this is description. 100 kilo ohm, 5% its tolerance, and it is 1/20 watt, यानी कि 0201 package, and this is the quantity available, and this is the price of in USD. You can change also price in the Indian rupees. There is an option at this side, or minimum quantity 10,000. It means that we will supply only minimum quantity 10,000. Packaging, this is the packaging detail. Series RCL, so you don't care more about packaging and series. And part status is active. This component is active in the market and it is being manufactured. It is meaning of this active. And resistance 100 kilo ohm, and tolerance 5%, and wattage 0.05 watt of 1/20 watt. Or composition thick film. Thick film is general use, and features is moisture resistance, and it's showing here thick film, features temperature coefficient plus minus 200 ppm per degree Celsius. What is the meaning of this? Per degree Celsius the resistance may be vary plus minus 200 ppm parts per million. So it will be value change in value of the resistance, and this is temperature range, and this is package 0201 and supplier package this is, and then other features is also size and height and number of termination. Termination means number of point corner, one to corner, two corner. So I put the 100k, and it is showing here this, but we don't want the select as per this. We want a special manufacturer, we want a wattage according to our application, we want package 0603 or 0805, but it is showing 0201. We don't want this, and tolerance we want 1% or 10%, it is showing 5%, and it is also showing this is showing the mix, but we want a special. Then we will have to select here. If we want the special parameters like 100 ohm, tolerance plus minus 1%, temperature from minus 40 to 125 degrees Celsius. So now we will have to select these parameters. So this is the first column, it is the manufacturer. What type of manufacturer you want to select? You want to select Yageo, you select Susumu, you can select like this, and you can clear like this. If you don't want to select, you can select multi also, control press control or click and clear. So right now I don't care about the manufacturer. You can according to your desired manufacturer you can select here. Here is a packaging. Don't care, you don't need to care about this packaging, they will send in any package. Yeah, you don't need. If you want to select, you can select, but there is no need of these selection. Series also there is no need. Part status is also no need, it will show automatically active, and active means it is in the market and it is being manufactured, and obsolete means it is not in market and its manufacturing has closed. So it will show automatically, you don't need to select. Now more filter resistance value. What type of resistance value you want to select? 100 kilo ohm, I select here 100 kilo ohm. Tolerance, how much tolerance you want to select, and it will show according to your selection how much resistance is available. I selected 100 kilo ohm, so it show 100 kilo ohm resistance are these many 3788 quantity is available. So now I select the 10% या 10% tolerance. So 10%, now its quantity is decreased. It is saying that 10% 100 kilo ohm and 10% tolerance, we have only 17 resistance. Now we select more. So I select 0.1 watt. 0.1 watt means 0603. I select here power wattage I select. So its value again change, that we have two resistance 100 kilo ohm, 10% plus minus, only two resistance available, and I go ahead. Composition, general use composition is thick film. So metal film also general use, but thick film is more general use in commercial. So I select here thick film. So now its value again change its value. So it having only these features component only one. Now I select here the features. So you can select here as per your features, what type of features, where you want to use that, for which application you want to, current sense, high voltage, या military application, या non-conductive node. So generally moisture resistance is commercial for general use. So now it is showing 0, that these features I have 0 resistance. So what will have to do? clear these all things. It will show like this. Just select 100 kilo ohm. So as per your requirement you have to select thin film, thick film you select, and wattage and tolerance we will select later. We select here 1.1/8 watt. 1/8 watt. How many resistance? 250. And tolerance I select tolerance I select 20. 22. Clear it. 1%. 129 available. And here I select general use. Moisture resistance. So moisture resistance is having 21. Now I select the ppm. ppm, what is the meaning of ppm? Per degree Celsius, what value variation will be in the resistance. So it is ppm. So as per your requirement, for general use we don't care about this, but for high accuracy application like PLL application, yeah, circuit design application, PLL and oscillator, in oscillator case, so we generally use these value. In general use we don't care so much about these. So if I select here, so it will show something. I select here 200 plus minus. So how much resistance? It is showing 0. So you can select here as per your application, because it will show resistance 0 if I select. And resist temperature generally you can select minus 40 to 155. It is showing 0. Now again we will select minus 55 to 125. Right now is not available. This is also, so you have to select as per your requirement. I am telling you minus 55 to 125 is general use. You can select here. Packaging, you don't care about packaging. Whatever package you have selected here, you have to select the package same here. So here is the here is package is 1206. So we have to select the 1206 package here, otherwise there will be a mismatching. You don't care about the package here, it will select automatically whatever you have selected. Rating you are don't need to select. Package also you don't need to select, because whatever you have selected here it will show here. So you don't need to select here. Also you can select here, it is in matrix, you can select here is this. So what will he show? It is showing 0. So many parameters you don't need to select, and dimension you don't need to select. As per the package, dimension will come automatically. For special use you can select the dimension. If you want to make the PCB very compact, it will depend on design. Height is also when there is some need of there is no need to height also. And failure rate is also don't need to select. It is high accuracy component, it will not show. So failure rate is also no for general use, not so much having so much effect. So now I apply the filter, it will show the 21 resistance below here in place of these resistance. So I apply filter, I click here, and as per our requirement, as per our selection, it will show. We did not select the manufacturer, so it will show many manufacturer component automatically. Okay, value we had selected 100 kilo ohm 1%, 0805. 0805 we had selected, so it is showing 0805. Quantity itni so much, and the minimum this is this. So you can, as per the package, here is the we had selected this package, service supply, this packaging, this is coming packaging. So we had selected 1 by 10. 1 by 10 it comes into the range of 0805. So 0805 1 by 8 it comes 0805, and it is forming this, and composition thick film, and wattage is this. Wattage is 1 by 8 0.125 volt, and tolerance we have selected 1%. So temperature range is also we have selected this, it is showing the same, and packaging also. So some features it show automatically, you don't need to select, because it may be the some software problem. When we selected all the features, then it will show generally 0. So some selection comes automatically, some main selection if you do, then other selection will come automatically. So don't need to select all the features, generally it happen. If you select all the features, then it will show 0 component. So friends, it was the selection as per our requirement. There is only main thing is tolerance, package and value and temperature. These are the main things to select the any resistance. Other selection is automatically come, and you can select as per your requirement if you are using the for a different type application. But these are the main thing. So friends, I hope you got it. The selection of resistance, how to select of resistance. So if you got something, please like my video, subscribe it and share it to your friend, and press the bell icon, because ahead I am going to make this type of video. Thank you.